Hi there, just wanted to share with you like the little changes that I made to the colors in the documentation. So you're gonna notice that the visual design changed a little bit, but the most interesting thing is I created basically a colorship component, and then what this colorship component does is it takes a color style from our basically our colors on Figma, on the Figma TG Product Design System library. And what it then allows us to do is use the Automator plugin to populate and refresh any kind of value here, from names to, let me zoom in a little bit, to like X values, RGBA values. So all of this is now automated thanks to Automator. I'm going to show you a little bit how this goes on by creating a new one. And then what I'm gonna do is detach here. Let me add the weird color that not weird enough. This one is weird. Now let's create a new style. Test for Automator. So I created a new style. I had it here. You're gonna see that this name, of course, doesn't match what we actually have here. So now what you're gonna do now is press Command / start Automator, which is a plugin, and you're gonna see here that I have like this automation called Populate Color Docs. And then what I want to do is I want to grab it here and I want to click it. So what it does is it actually checks for every color chip, so everything that has a name color chip. So it's important you don't change the layer name here. And it will get the value, the name, the X value, the RGBA values, and then populate every color chip with the right color name and everything. So you can come in and you can see that basically Automator is kind of like a visual programming tool. So you say you want to find all layers where the name is docs color chip, then you have set selection, then you do for each, which is a loop. So for each thing that is in this list of components that the programming language, or not programming language, but basically the code kind of found, you want to find the name and then a little bit more actions until you actually get all of this populated. Like now, so you could use this. Now I can use this for colors, I can use this for typography, you can use this for any repetitive action that you might have, that you might want to do. So yeah, if it sounds like you have some repetitive actions that you do, let me know. Maybe I can program like an automation for you, and that's it. I hope you like this one, and ask me about it a little bit more if you want to get a bit more nerdy about it. Bye bye.